Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series standard 2nd semester 2nd book. So page number 7 exercise fill in the blanks already we have completed. Now we will come to the second question, that is answer the following questions. What does a tiny seed need to grow into a flower? What does a tiny seed, okay, seed, answer the following questions. What does a tiny seed need to grow into a flower? You can copy down from your textbook also. What does a tiny seed need to grow into a flower? A tiny seed needs some soil, water and sunlight to grow into a flower. Take down the spellings here. In the question you will find the answer. A tiny, A T-I-N-Y, S-E-E-D seed, needs, N-E-E-D-S, needs, some, S-O-M-E, some soil, S-O-M-E, some, S-O-I-L, soil, W-A-T-E-R, water, A-N-D, and, S-U-N, sun, L-I-G-H-T, light, sunlight, to, T-O, grow into, I-N-T-O, into a flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. The second question is, once again here, a tiny seed needs some soil, water and sunlight to grow into a flower. Now second B1. Name the parts of the plants as they grow. Name the parts of the plants as they grow. Answer. The parts of the plants are roots, stem, S-T-E-M, stem, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, buds, B-U-D-S, flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, and fruits, A-N-D and F-R-U-I-T-S. F-R-U-I-T-S. Name the parts of the plants as they grow. The parts of the plants, the P-A-R-T-S, parts, O-F, of, the P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, A-R-E-R, roots, stem, leaves, birds, flowers and fruits. A-N-D and F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. The third question is, what does care so wise stand for in the poem? Question number third, C. You can take, you are sitting with the book only, no? You can take from the textbook and the answer. C1. What does care so wise stand for in the poem? Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants need P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, N-E-E-D, need, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, and A-N-D, and manure, M-A-N-U-R-E, manure. Manure, to grow. TO2 grow. Must, must. Care, care. And and give, give. Right, right. Amount, amount. Of water. Amount of water. Amount of water. Good, good. Manure and proper sunlight. Manure, manure. And proper, proper. Sun, light. Light. TO2 the. Plant, plant. To be healthy. To be healthy. 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 Plant. To be healthy. Yes, once again here. Plants, 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 plants need, NEED, need water, WATER, and and manure, MANURE, manure. To TO2 grow, GROW, grow. Full stop is there. V, capital W, we must, WEV, MUST, must. Care, CARE, care. And GIVE, give. RIGHT, right. AMOUNT, amount. OF, of water, WATER, comma. Good manure, GWD, good. MANURE, manure. And proper, PROPER, proper. Sunlight, sun, LIGHT, light. TO2 the. PLANT, plant. To be healthy, HEALTHY, healthy. Healthy. Yes. Question number C is completed. Now D1. What grows on the plants? What grows on the plant? You can take down from the question, from the textbook, the question, or you can see here also. What grows, WHAT, what grows on the plants? What grows on the plants? Question I am not going to read the spelling. Answer I will read the spelling. Answer. Flowers, FLOWERS, flowers. Juicy, JUICY, juicy. Fruits, FRUITS, fruits. And vegetables, VEGETABLES. Grows, GROWS, grows on the, on, the, PLANTS, plants. Flowers, FLOWERS, flowers. Juicy, JUICY, juicy. FRUITS, fruits. And vegetables, VEGE, table spelling if you know, no, veggie, VEGE, tables, TABLES. Grows, GROWS, grows on the plants, PLANTS. Now question answers are over. Fill in the blanks, question answers. Now third one is make sentences using the given words. Make sentences using the given words. Grow, grow. First one is A, that is grow. We grow plants for food. WEV, GROW, grow. PLANTS, plants. FOR, for. FWD, food. We grow plants for food. B1 is bloom. Bloom, bloom. BLWM, bloom. Flowers, bloom, From birds. From birds. Flowers. Flowers. Bloom. 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 From From. From Buds. Birds. Third one, shower. Our parents shower love on us. Shower love on us. Our parents. Parents. Shower shower. Shower love on. Love on us. Our parents shower love on us. Beer. Mango tree bears juicy mangoes. Mango mango. Mango tree. Bears bears juicy juicy mangoes. Mangoes. Juicy juicy mangoes. Juicy mangoes. Now, activity language development. Words ending with FT, ND, NK, NT and MP. Read each word aloud. Now, see here. FT. LIFT lift. GIFT gift. SOFT soft. RAFT raft. LOFT loft. FT LIFT lift. GIFT gift. SOFT soft. RAFT raft. LOFT loft. ND that is and. BAND band. GRIND grind. SPEND spend. SOUND sound. FUND fund. BAND band. GRIND grind. SPEND spend. SOUND sound. FUND fund. NK PRINK prink. DRINK drink. MONK monk. PLANK plank. RANK rank. PRINK prink. DRINK drink. MONK monk. PLANK plank. RANK rank. NT BENT bent. NT. Now NT we have come. PLANT plant. GRUNT grunt. HUNT hunt. FRONT front. NT BENT bent. PLANT plant. GRUNT grunt. HUNT hunt. FRONT front. MP that is DAMP damp. MP damp. LAMP lamp. HUMP hump. CAMP camp. STAMP stamp. MP damp. DAMP damp. LAMP lamp. HUMP hump. CAMP camp. STAMP stamp. Now, question number 2. What is the word? Read the given clues. Select the words from the above table. Write the answers. A1. Crush into powder, that is grind. G-R-I-N-D. G-R-I-N-D, grind, grind, grind. Crush into powder. B1. Collected money, collected money, M-O-N-E-Y. Collected money, that is fund, F-U-N-D. Collected money, that is called fund, F-U-N-D. Then made from wood, made from wood, that is P-L-A-N-K. Plunk, P-L-A-N-K. Plunk. Something wet, damp, damp, D-A-M-P, damp, D-A-M-P, damp. Sound of pig, grunt, G-R-U-N-T, grunt. Sound of pig, grunt, grunt. Curved, F1. Curved, bent, B-E-N-T, B-E-N-T. Sear. Once again, A1, crush into powder, that is grind, grind, G-R-I-N-D, grind, grind. Collected money, that is fund, F-U-N-D. Made from wood, plunk, P-L-A-N-K. Something wet, D-A-M-P, damp. Sound of pig, grunt, G-R-U-N-T. Curved, C-U-R-V-E-D, curved, bent, B-E-N-T, bent. Then third question, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Select the words from the table in question 2. A camel has a hump, H-U-M-P, hump. A camel has a hump. A camel has a hump, H-U-M-P, hump. Then P1. Dash 1 hour on my homework. Dash 1 hour on my homework. I spend, I-S-P-E-N-D, spend 1 hour on my homework. C1. The fur of my cat is, the fur of my cat is soft, S-O-F-T, S-O-F-T. Then T1. Hunters, H-U-N-T-E-R-S, hunters. Dash animals is there, no, hunt, H-U-N-T, hunters, hunt, H-U-N-T, hunt. Animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, H-U-N-T, hunt, animals. Then children dash milk, children dash milk, that is drink, children drink milk, D-R-I-N-K, D-R-I-N-K, drink milk, drink milk. Paste a stamp, S-T-A-M-P, stamp, on the envelope. Paste a stamp on the envelope, S-T-A-M-P, stamp. G1. G1. Gopal got a nice gift. Gopal got a nice gift, G-I-F-T, gift. The all Gopal got a nice, this all is there only dash is there only you have to write gift, G-I-F-T. The monk sat in the dash row. The monk sat in the front row, F-R-O-N-T, front, F-R-O-N-T, front, R-O-W, row. The monk sat in the front row, in the front row. Once again here, a camel has a hump, H-U-M-P, hump. I spend 1 hour on my homework. The fur of my cat is soft. Hunters hunt animals. Children drink milk. Paste a stamp on the envelope. Gopal got a nice gift. The monk sat in the front row. The monk sat in the front row. So, question answers write for three times and learn by heart. Fill in sentences using the given words. Make sentences grow, bloom, then shower and beer words are given that you write for 2 times and read these words and see here. These are the words, no? Lift, gift. These words you have to write for 5 times and learn by heart. And also fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, second and third. Whatever now I have taught, fill in the blanks. Write for 2 times and learn by heart. Learn by heart. Okay, children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.